everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am currently packing for a trip and I'm very excited. I need a vacation so bad. I'm headed to California for the next 6 days, which will be super fun. I'm hoping that it'll be at least warmer than it is here in New York. I think it should be. We're planning to be in wine country, so I'm trying to pack a few outfits that are not only cute but also comfortable in case we are doing a lot of walking and or biking from place to place. I will also be spending some time in San Francisco in the city, so walking clothes are a must. Before we get into the packing portion, I also have a little bit of a mini haul to share. I had to do a little bit of a basics refresh in preparation for this trip, so I'm trying out a few pieces from Buck Mason. I have never tried anything from Buck Mason before, but something about it that really spoke to me was they use a lot of natural fibers in their clothing, and they really focus on very easy, effortless, comfortable products. What I picked up is kind of boring, but I'm looking forward to reviewing it and giving my opinion on if the styles are nice and if I think they're good quality. Something that's interesting about Buck Mason is that all of their products are actually made in the US. This is not something that we see a lot these days. It's kind of a unique situation. They have this whole section on their website about their mills, which I believe are located in Pennsylvania. So that's an interesting read if you are interested in learning more about the brand. I picked out the Pima Crew in the boxy fit. I prefer a bit more of a boxy tee for layering underneath things, and so far first impression is that this one, it feels really nice. It feels like a really nice Pima cotton. I love Pima cotton. Pima cotton is one of the nicest qualities of cotton that you can buy. The cotton is spun into extra long fibers in the knitting process, so that means that they are stronger and they hold up better over time. They also take to color really well. Obviously this is white, so I'm not really worried about color fading here, but if you are to buy something in a color that is Pima cotton, it is more likely to kind of hold on to that color the more and more you wash and wear it. So that is the Pima Cotton Boxy Crew. I'm looking forward to wearing, washing, and reviewing this again in the future after I've worn it a little bit. The next thing that I'm trying out from Buck Mason is this little rib cotton tank. I'm really excited about this one actually. I'm not a huge tank top person. One reason I don't often buy tank tops is because I feel like you can't often wear a normal bra with them, and I don't like wearing strapless bras. They're just not comfortable. What really caught my attention with this one is that there is a little string and a little snap so that you can conceal your bra straps underneath this tank. It's really just like a nice little extra bonus touch. I have not seen a brand do this on a tank top really ever. I'm sure there's some that exist out there, I just haven't found them yet. And so I'm really looking forward to trying this one out, and it just feels like a really nice heavy cotton rib as well. So looking forward to also wearing, washing, and reviewing this at a later date after I've worn it a little bit. And finally, the last piece that I picked up from Buck Mason that I'm really excited to try, because I am such a sweatpant girl. That might surprise some of you because obviously I really love dressing up and wearing nice clothing, but I love comfy clothes. At the end of the day, I am putting on my sweatpants. So I'm really excited to try this pair from Buck Mason. This is the vintage interloop sweatpant they have the little jogger bottom. I think they also have a wide leg pant as well. What really caught my attention with these is that they are 100% cotton. It is so rare to find sweatpants these days that are 100% cotton, and I find that crazy. I know a lot of the time it's because people like a brushed inside and brands want them to feel soft. This inside is not brushed. This is like a French terry. But you know what? Over time, the more you wear and wash 100% cotton sweatpants, the softer and more lived in they feel. I just don't understand why it's so hard to find 100% cotton sweatpants. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to wearing these because I know that they're gonna hold up well. I hope so anyway. They have really nice pockets. Nothing drives me crazier than when women's sweatpants don't have pockets on them. And then there is a inner drawstring so that you can adjust the waist. I got mine in this kind of washed black color, and I'm very excited to try them. You will catch me wearing these on the plane. So that is my little Buck Mason mini haul. I can't wait to try all these styles and wear them a little bit and then come back with a more detailed review in the future. I love to pack using my closet organization app, so we're gonna get started there. Before we physically start doing any packing, I like to go through my outfits that I've planned on my app and get everything organized on there before we begin. I find that doing it this way saves me a lot of time when I actually start the packing process. It keeps me organized and it allows me to fit all of my outfits into a carry-on, at least in this case. I've started pre-planning a little bit. So what I like to do is I will build out my looks that I am planning to maybe pack for my trip, and then I will slot them into a calendar day. I have 9 different outfits planned for 7 different days. For 2 of these days, I have some evening plans, so I planned an outfit for the daytime and the evening. After I'm satisfied with every single outfit that I have for each day, I will then go into the packing function and I will start a new trip. So here under the packing function, you can see all of my different looks that I've added, and it will give me an itemized list of everything that I have within those looks that I need to pack. Now, I didn't build out outfits containing my other necessities like pajamas, so I'm gonna quickly add them to my itemized list here. I feel like I haven't worn this pair in a while, so I'm gonna bring them along. They're really cute. And once I have my itemized list, then we can start pulling things from my closet, and I'm gonna spread them all out over my bed. So here is everything laid out, everything I'm gonna fit into my carry-on. Wow, I really wear so many neutrals, don't I? I'm gonna go through some of the things that I'm packing and my reasoning behind it, and potentially how I'm planning to wear and style these pieces. So I did look at the weather. It looks like it might be potentially slightly rainy on a few days that I'm there, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be like rainy all day. So I might luck out, I'm not sure. Overall, the temperature looks like it's gonna be in the mid to high 50s, maybe 60 one of the days. We'll see if it reaches that. So because of that, I am going to pack some spring forward items, but I'm gonna make sure that I bring some sweaters and layering just in case I get cold. So the first thing that I'm packing that I'm really excited about is my new Leanne dress from Doin. I just shared this in my latest Doin video, and yes, I decided to keep the Leanne dress. This one is just so pretty. I'm sure no one is surprised that I decided to keep this one, and I am gonna bring it on my trip because something about this dress is that it is very easy to layer with. So I can throw a sweater or a jacket over it, and I can easily take that same piece off if I get too warm. So this is a good one, especially for traveling. Love it. My other nice dressing kind of piece that I'm bringing is also Doin. I'm gonna bring along my Sebastian skirt. This is also a very versatile, nice piece. In particular, I really love the way this one looks with sneakers. So I'm planning to bring a pair of sneakers because I'm gonna be walking a lot, and I'm looking forward to styling this one. I think that I'm gonna wear my Sebastian skirt with this little pointelle tee from Lisette and probably wear a sweater and a jacket over it if it is cold. I think this is a great little combination, especially to wear with sneakers. And then in terms of jackets, I am gonna bring, oh, I forgot to lay it out. I am gonna bring a wool coat. This is my coat from the Curated. And the main reason I'm bringing this, besides the fact that it might be like 55-ish, this is the perfect coat for 55-ish weather, is that I am going directly to the airport from my office. So I'm gonna have to dress for New York weather in the morning, and I might as well just bring along something versatile. So I'm gonna bring this one because it is not too warm for San Francisco, but it will keep me warm on my way to work the morning of my flight. Okay, did I mention my denim jacket? I'm bringing my new denim jacket that I got during the sale season. I have been obsessed with this jacket for as long as I can remember. Well, really just like the last 2 years, but I finally found it on sale. I think I got this for like 80% off. It was such a deal. It is the Kate Grizzo jacket, and I really love Kate denim, so I'm very excited to add this to my denim collection and for easy layering as we go into spring and summer. I think I'm really gonna wear this one a lot. Next thing I'm bringing are 2 different pairs of jeans. One is a slimmer, kind of nicer looking denim that I can wear day or night. And then I'm bringing a kind of looser, more casual pair of jeans as well. Of course, I'm bringing my Buck Mason sweatpants. I think that I'm gonna wear these jeans to work. When I get to the airport, I'm gonna change into my Buck Mason sweatpants. I can't wait to wear those. I bring a lot of white little t-shirts with me when I travel just because I like to have the option of a fresh t-shirt if possible. So I will be bringing those 2 new Buck Mason basics. I'm bringing the rib tank as well as the Pima boxy crew. And then I'm also gonna bring my floor boat neck top with a little 3/4 length sleeves because this is a really nice little layering piece, and it also looks a little dressier than just my other basic tees. Finally, I'm bringing 2 sweaters. I'm gonna be bringing this Doan cable knit cardigan. This is a great layer for anything really that I'm bringing over jeans, over t-shirts, over my dress or my skirt. And then I'm also gonna bring this crew neck cashmere sweater that I've had for 5-6 years from the Curated. I love this style. It's very warm and cozy. I'm gonna bring this little Cezanne knit. This one is really pretty, it's really comfortable, and it's perfect for going out to dinner. Ooh, in terms of little pajamas that I'm gonna bring, I think I'm gonna bring this set from Lake. Let me find the pants. It is a very nice, heavy modal from Lake, and it has the wrap top. These are really comfortable, and they're also kind of chic. They make me feel very chic when I wear those. So bringing those along. In terms of shoes and accessories, I'm gonna bring along a pair of little strappy sandals. I don't know if this is like too wishful thinking of me, but I did want to bring along a pair just in case I feel like wearing them. So I have these little black strappy sandals. For going out to dinner, I'm gonna bring along my red Cezanne Paula babies. These are super cute, and they will add a pop of color to my otherwise very neutral outfits. And for sneakers, I'm gonna bring along my new silver sneaks. I've been wearing these like for the last couple days in a row, and I love them so much. As far as other accessories go, I'm gonna bring this big tote as my plain bag. Inside I have my sunglasses because I'm hoping it will be sunny and not rainy. I'm gonna bring along one belt, a little wallet bag, because this is perfect for travel because I can wear it crossbody, I can use it as a little clutch. So it's just super versatile, and it is small and it fits in all of my luggage. Okay, now let's get things in packing cubes. Concludes my packing video. Thanks for joining me. I am very excited for my trip, and I'm hoping to share some parts of it on YouTube. So I will see you in my next video, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye.